Welcome, in front of me I have LG Q6 and today I will show you how you can check your battery temperature in this device. So at the first we have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Ampere. That's the application that we are going to use. It's from the Brain Shop. You have to install that app and now just wait until the finish will be download. I mean until the download will be finished. As you can see right now, we can open that application by clicking on the open button and tap yes, agree, close, and then you have to click at the OK at the left bottom corner, and when you swipe on the right, we'll get the same data but in other theme, and as you can see the temperature we can find in this place. As you can see, we got here also other things like battery health or capacity. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.